Are you seriously tired of posting videos that barely get views? Feeling like the algorithm is stacked against small creators like us? Well, what if I told you there is a new way to get noticed in 2025? A strategy that is designed for creators just like you. It is called finding and leveraging video outliers, and it is a total game changer most creators aren't aware of. Stick with me for the few minutes because by the end of this video, you will have the exact tools to start growing your channel today. If this is a video you have loved to watch, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I will tell you the new way small channels can get views. Let's dive in. In 2025, the game has changed. The algorithm is done smarter, faster, and more focused on viewer behavior than ever before. Ask me how. The new way is about identifying video outliers, those high performing videos in your niche that are blowing up, and using them to inspire your content. Think of it as studying what is working, then putting your unique spin on it to grab attention. This video you are seeing right now didn't go viral by accident. They tap into trends, emotion, or question that audiences are craving right now. And the best part is, you don't need a huge audience to use these strategies. You just need to know how to find those golden outliers. Let me show you how. So, what exactly are video outliers? Because I know that most of you that is watching this video will be wondering what is video outliers. These are videos in your niche that perform way above average, sometimes even blowing past the channel's usual number. For example, a small cooking channel might normally get 500 views per video, but suddenly one recipe or one cooking recipe from nowhere hits 50,000 views. That is what we call an outlier. These videos give you clues about what audience are hungry for. I mean, pun intended, what they are expected to see, like what they are craving to see. Outliers stand out because they either hit a trending topic, solving a burning question, or deliver massive value in a unique way. The trick is finding this video and learning from them. Let's break it down. How you can find a video outliners the simple way. Let's start with the simple way. Head over to your YouTube and search for a keyword in your niche. For example, if you are in fitness, search for something like home workouts. Now, use the filter to sort by view count or this month. This will show you the videos that are popping off right now on your niche. Look for smaller channels, those with fewer than 10,000 subscribers that have one or two videos with way more views than their average. These are your outliers. Watch those videos, study their titles, thumbnail, and content structure. What are they doing differently? What is hooking their audience? For example, this video thumbnail you are seeing right now is super clean and the title traps into curiosity. Like this video of about how I copied a big YouTuber and start going viral. I mean, I start getting this view, YouTube start recommending my videos, I start getting this watch hour subscribers, engagement from nowhere. So if you haven't watched that video, what are you waiting for? This is the thumbnail. So it will help you guide on your strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. The second one is how to find video outliers the powerful way. Let's level up with the powerful tools. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VIDIQ, it can make you to find the outliners even easier. This platform lets you analyze your competitors, channels, and spot their top performing videos in just a second. For example, I'm looking at this fitness channel with over 8,000 subscribers. Their average videos get 2,000 views, but one of their recent upload has 30,000 views. That is a massive spike. With these tools, you can even see what tags they use, their keywords ranking, and how they optimize their title and description. You notice how the outlier videos is shorter, has a killer hook in the first 10 seconds, and uses a trending keywords in the title. These are patterns you can replicate on your channel and start growing before you know it. So here is your game plan. 1. Use YouTube search to find outliers in your niche. 2. Study their titles, their thumbnails, and content style. Then 3. Leverage tools like TubeBuddy to deeper into analytics. 4. Create your own version of your winning content, but make it unique to your own style and voice. And remember, this is not about copying all the time. I mean, copy, copy, copy. It is about learning what works and putting your own spin on it. 2025 is the year small creators are breaking through. And with the right way of finding and leveraging video outliers, you are closer than ever to hitting your goals. So what is your next step? Drop it in the comment section below and let me know which part of this strategy you are excited to try. And hey, if you find this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with another creator who needs this. Let's grow together. I want to be your friend. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.